Hello students, in this video we have to learn about adding and subtracting fractions. There are two types of fractions that we have learned earlier also, like fractions and unlike fractions. So if we add, the first topic we have to learn here is adding or subtracting like fractions. If we are adding or subtracting like fractions, we just take the denominator as it is. For example, 5 by 28 plus 4 by 28. If we want to add this, these are like fraction as the denominators are same. So we just take the denominator as it is and add the numerators. So the answer is 9 by 28. So under like fractions, we just add or subtract the like fractions as it is. We just take the numerators, add or subtract the numerators only. And similarly, if we subtract it, 5 by 28 minus 4 by 28, then the answer is 5 minus 4 upon 28, that is 1 by 28. So simply in the like fractions we have to do this only. Then the next topic is adding or subtracting unlike fractions. If we want to add or subtract unlike fractions, so what we have to do, the first step, for example, we just take this example, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. In this example, we can see that there is two unlike fractions in which the denominators are different. So the first step in this is to take the LCM of the denominators. So it is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So the LCM is 12. Now if we put the LCM with it, then it is 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, minus with this also 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 1 by 12. In this question we have to do like this only. So what we have learnt here, that if we are having two unlike fractions and if we want to add or subtract it, then first step is to take the LCM, making the denominators equal, or we just solve it with the denominators and multiply it with the numerator. Then we will get this answer and then subtract it. We just take this same example for the addition also. In this also, first step is to take the LCM of 6 and 4 and it is 12. So again 12, 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10, plus 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 19 by 12. This is the answer. Now the next thing is, if we want to add or subtract the mixed fractions. If we are having mixed fractions, so the first step is to convert these mixed fraction into improper fractions. For example, 2 4 by 5, 3 5 by 6. And if we want to add this, so first step is to convert it into improper. So 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 by 5, plus 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 upon 6. Now these will become improper fractions. So the next step is to take the LCM of 5 and 6. As they are two consecutive numbers, so the LCM of this is product of these. Or we can see it like this also. 2 into 3 into 5, it is 30. So the LCM is 30. Now 30, 5 6 are 30, 14 6 are 84, 86, 84, and then here also 6 5s are 30, 23 into 5, 115. Now we have to add this. This is 199 upon 30. Now we can see the answer is an improper fraction. So we just convert it into mixed fraction also, or we can leave the answer here. But if the question is in mixed fraction, then it is necessary to change it into mixed fraction. So we can see how we have to change it. We just divide 199 by 30. This changes or this conversions we have done in the previous class also. Now I am just giving you one more example of this conversion. Six are 180. So 9, 119 is the remainder. So how we have to write? Dividend, quotient and the remainder. So this 619 by 30 is the mixed fraction. We can see here also. Okay. So by this way we have to simplify our 7.5 and 7.6. Thank you, students.